Oh man, I just did a video and shared the wrong screen. Cool. Okay, where are we going? We're looking at a weekly target first. So these daily fair value gaps up here. That's my weekly target. This little lighter gray block of here is the weekly. So from that point to that point, that little gap there, that's the drawn liquidity right now. On the next few weeks, over the next few weeks, I had this fair value gap marked up and it literally poked it right to the top. Probably like let's look for interest. So low is 99571. Low is 99578. Wow. So 99589. Amazing. 99589, 99578. Wow. So yeah, I was expecting a little bit more. I wanted this candle to fill up, but it didn't. Look at that massive drop there. I was like thinking, oh, they're gonna take it that low and then go higher, but they didn't. Very, very interesting. Just bounce, take out the liquidity into fair value gap, and quickly get away. So nobody can get involved with this. That is the real truth. So now, what do? We go down to a daily. What are we doing on a daily? Okay, I also wanted to say that this is balanced here. So see how this has come up. There is a fair value gap here, but that's a breakaway gap. Otherwise, this is all balanced. Look how we created this gap here, but balanced. Created this gap here, but balanced. Created nothing else over here on a weekly. So I'm expecting this thing just to keep going higher. I'm not expecting it to come back down into this area or below these lows anymore. I'm thinking we're just going to keep going. That's what it feels like. Maybe we'll come bounce back into like this area, but I don't think we're going to come back all the way down here and then go up. I think this high is important. So 108 is the next target, and then if we go down to a daily, 108.45, that should start attracting once we get into here. So I would like this volume imbalance. I would like it price to keep above that for now. So if we go to a 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, or even 30 minutes, you can see here's that volume imbalance, which is also an order block. Plus we've opened here on Sunday. We've dipped into this fair value gap, so that's balanced. This is the open gap, so we've traded up, we've traded back into it, and we getting away from here. So this is the weekly open on here on Sunday. So this is the bullish order block, and I would like price to stay above there, especially that we've got that overlapping weekly fair value gap going on. So there, so I would allow price to dip into this, which would give you the midpoint of the order block. I can't choose the midpoint because it's locking. So approximately around there. So yeah, look how nicely that's actually matching with that volume imbalance. So I would accept that Tuesday, Wednesday even, with some news, maybe just quickly reject this level. That's what I'd like to see. Or we could just break away higher and not get a chance. Who knows? But there'll definitely be some trade setups going forward this week. Bam, 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 bam. So where are we? True open over there. So we've got a fair value gap here, which I'd watch, but I would accept price to go a bit lower. because of the higher time frame shenanigans going on. Yeah. That's it. Cheers, guys.